Greetings. Today we will discuss whether electrolytes can boost athletic performance and muscle recovery. Spoiler alert, yes, but probably not in the way the sports drink industry wants you to believe, and they're almost certainly not telling you about the most important electrolyte of all. Electrolytes are marketed relentlessly to anyone who's ever broken a sweat. Sports drinks, hydration tablets, powders, and performance waters promise superhuman endurance, cramp-free workouts, and recovery so fast you'll feel like you never exercised at all. But here's the thing. Most of this marketing focuses obsessively on sodium, while virtually ignoring the electrolyte that arguably matters most for athletic performance and recovery, magnesium. Let's dig into what actually matters, what's being overlooked, and what science, not marketing, tells us about electrolytes and exercise. Electrolytes are minerals that carry electrical charges when dissolved in body fluids. The key players include sodium, potassium, magnesium, the chronically underappreciated workhorse, calcium, and chloride. These minerals regulate fluid balance, nerve signaling, muscle contractions, heart rhythm, and energy production at the cellular level. During exercise, especially intense or prolonged activity, you lose water and electrolytes through sweat. If these losses aren't replaced, dehydration and mineral imbalances can compromise performance, recovery, and even your health. But here's where conventional wisdom falls short. Not all electrolytes are lost equally, and not all are replaced equally. And I'm the digital avatar of Dr. MacCloud, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc. His passion and purpose are to solve health problems to help people achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals. He utilizes AI to save time, allowing him to spend it helping others. With over 45 years of clinical experience, he has acquired extensive specialized health-related knowledge that he wants to share, which is why he produces videos. Please note that this is not medical advice. It is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Consult your trusted progressive healthcare provider before making any significant changes in your health regimen. Now, let's get back to today's topic. But before that, I ask you to please hit the like button if you find this information helpful. Subscribing to this channel helps get this information to more people. Let's address what virtually every sports drink commercial ignores. Magnesium deficiency is epidemic, and it's devastating for athletic performance. Estimates suggest that 50 to 80% of Americans are deficient in magnesium, and athletes may be at even greater risk due to increased losses through sweat and urine during intense exercise. Yet, walk into any gym or sporting goods store, and you'll find shelves lined with products screaming about sodium and potassium, while magnesium gets relegated to fine print if it's mentioned at all. This is a massive oversight. Here's why magnesium deserves top billing. Every single ATP molecule, the energy currency your muscles use for contraction, must be bound to magnesium to be biologically active. Read that again. Without adequate magnesium, your body literally cannot produce usable energy efficiently. You can carb load until you look like a pasta warehouse, but if you're magnesium depleted, converting that fuel into muscular work becomes compromised. Magnesium is essential for proper muscle contraction and relaxation. While calcium triggers muscle contraction, magnesium facilitates relaxation. When magnesium is depleted, muscles struggle to relax properly. Hello, cramps, spasms, and that persistent tightness that won't release no matter how much you foam roll. Magnesium plays critical roles in protein synthesis, muscle repair, and reducing inflammation. It also supports quality sleep, arguably the most important recovery tool available, by regulating neurotransmitters and melatonin. Athletes who are magnesium depleted often report poor sleep quality, prolonged soreness, and slower recovery between training sessions. Intense exercise stresses the nervous system. Magnesium helps regulate the stress response, supports neuromuscular coordination, and prevents the kind of neural fatigue that makes your muscles feel unresponsive even when they're not structurally damaged. The bottom line, if you're obsessing over sodium replacement while ignoring magnesium, you're addressing maybe 30% of the electrolyte equation while leaving the most metabolically important mineral on the table. Sodium does play a key role in fluid retention, and the marketing gets it right. When you sweat heavily, replacing sodium helps maintain proper hydration levels, supporting stable energy output, improved endurance, reduced premature fatigue, better thermoregulation. For endurance activities lasting more than 60 to 90 minutes, especially in hot conditions, sodium replacement genuinely helps maintain performance. However, sodium without adequate potassium and magnesium creates an imbalance. Your body doesn't operate on single minerals. It operates on ratios and relationships between minerals. Pounding sodium while ignoring magnesium is like filling your car with gas while ignoring that the oil is empty. It might run for a while, but you're setting yourself up for problems. Muscle cramps during exercise remain somewhat mysterious, and anyone who tells you they're only caused by electrolyte depletion is oversimplifying. Cramps can result from electrolyte imbalances, yes, this matters, muscle fatigue and overexertion, poor conditioning, neuromuscular dysfunction, inadequate warm-up, dehydration. That said, magnesium deficiency is strongly associated with muscle cramps, spasms, and twitching. Many athletes who experience persistent cramping, despite adequate sodium and potassium intake, find relief only when they address magnesium status. This is the missing piece that conventional sports nutrition frequently overlooks. The interplay between calcium, which triggers contraction, and magnesium, which enables relaxation, is particularly critical. When the calcium to magnesium ratio skews too high, common in Western diets heavy in dairy and fortified foods, but light in magnesium-rich vegetables, nuts, and seeds, muscles become hyperexcitable and prone to cramping. Electrolytes support recovery through several mechanisms. restoring fluid balance after exercise-induced dehydration, supporting cellular repair processes that require proper mineral cofactors, normalizing blood pressure and circulation to deliver nutrients to damaged tissues, reducing inflammation. Magnesium, in particular, has anti-inflammatory properties, improving sleep quality. Again, magnesium is the star here. However, let's be clear, electrolytes alone don't drive recovery. Complete recovery depends on adequate protein intake for muscle protein synthesis, quality sleep, 7 to 9 hours, and this is where magnesium really shines, sufficient caloric intake to support repair processes, appropriate training load management, stress management. Chronically elevated cortisol impairs recovery. Electrolytes are an essential piece of the puzzle, but they're not the whole picture. That said, magnesium may be the most underutilized recovery tool in athletics. Its roles in protein synthesis, inflammation reduction, sleep quality, and nervous system regulation make it arguably more important for recovery than any other single electrolyte. Strategic electrolyte supplementation is most beneficial when exercise exceeds 60 to 90 minutes. Training occurs in high heat or humidity. Sweat loss is heavy. Some people are salty sweaters who lose more minerals than others. You're participating in endurance sports, running, cycling, triathlon, etc. You follow low-carb or ketogenic diets, which increase electrolyte excretion. You use saunas regularly. Significant mineral loss occurs through sweat. You experience symptoms of depletion, fatigue, cramping, brain fog, poor recovery, sleep disturbances. In these situations, replacing sodium, potassium, and especially magnesium can meaningfully sustain performance and accelerate recovery. For casual exercise scenarios, light workouts under an hour, moderate strength training without excessive sweating, walking, yoga, or low-intensity activities, plain water combined with a mineral-rich diet typically suffices. A word of caution. Many commercial sports drinks are essentially sugar water with a sprinkle of sodium and aggressive marketing. They add unnecessary calories, spike blood sugar, and often contain artificial colors and flavors your body doesn't need. For most casual exercisers, these products are more about beverage company profits than actual performance enhancement. Rather than relying on commercial products that overemphasize sodium while neglecting magnesium, consider these whole food and targeted approaches. Magnesium-rich options, prioritize these. Pumpkin seeds, among the highest food sources of magnesium. Dark chocolate, 70% plus cacao, yes really. Almonds, cashews, and Brazil nuts. Spinach, Swiss chard, and other dark leafy greens. Avocados, black beans, and legumes. Magnesium supplements. Glycinate, malate, or threonate forms are better absorbed than oxide. Potassium-rich options. Avocados, more potassium than bananas plus healthy fats. Coconut water, natural electrolyte balance. Bananas, oranges, and other fruits. Potatoes and sweet potatoes. Yogurt and dairy. Sodium replacement, quality sea salt or Himalayan pink salt, added to food or water. Bone broth, provides sodium plus other minerals and collagen. Lightly salted whole foods. Clean electrolyte supplements. If you need a concentrated electrolyte product, look for options that include meaningful amounts of magnesium, not just token amounts. Balance sodium with adequate potassium, contain zero or minimal sugar. Avoid artificial colors, flavors, and sweeteners. Having been at this for over 45 years, I've seen thousands of products come and go. About 20 years ago, I began formulating my own supplements. One of the top things I came up with is a magnesium-rich electrolyte powder with multiple forms of magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most common nutritional deficiencies around, and most electrolyte formulations do not have sufficient amounts. The two products I developed are Mag 10X and Medo Energ Y, which is Mag 10X plus a comprehensive B complex. These products are in powder form and can be added to water. I like to add them to naturally flavored coconut water like Bai. This allows you to sip it over 60 to 90 minutes for maximum absorption with minimal potential GI side effects, such as extremely loose stools. You can find these products on either of my websites, ARTC Health or MyBodySymphony.com. Electrolytes genuinely support athletic performance and muscle recovery, particularly during prolonged, intense, or heat-heavy exercise. They help maintain hydration, support muscle function, enable energy production, and restore balance after heavy sweating. But here's what the sports drink industry won't tell you. The electrolyte most Americans are deficient in, and the one most critical for energy production, muscle function, cramp prevention, recovery, and sleep is magnesium. Not sodium, not potassium, magnesium. If you're serious about optimizing performance and recovery, stop fixating solely on sodium replacement and start paying attention to your magnesium status. Most athletes would benefit more from a quality magnesium supplement and magnesium-rich foods than from another neon-colored sports drink. The key is matching your electrolyte strategy to your actual needs, your activity level, sweat rate, diet, and individual physiology, rather than assuming the marketing-heavy approach of more sodium, better performance. Your muscles, your energy systems, and your recovery all depend on getting this right, and getting it right starts with recognizing that magnesium isn't a footnote, it's the foundation. And for more on optimizing your mineral status and athletic performance, visit RTC.health and MyBodySymphony.com.